seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. Now, drop the bomb. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash.
Hey, head back to the phones for more missions.
Nice car. I'll take it.
A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. Say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops.
Head to the phones for more missions.